Doing a little bit of a Valentines slash guys Valentines special for February. So gonna do a quick walkthrough, but we're gonna spend a little extra time on the jewelry case. And Casey had me do a bunch of decorations because it's love season. But do a kind of an overview real quick, and then we'll maybe go through and pull out some of the nicer rings and necklaces and what have you for jewelry. Still have the Rolex if anybody wants one. Here's some of the rings that the jewelry stores are charging thousands of dollars for. I think my most expensive one right now is $350. No, wrong. That one's $450. A little close-up of some of the rings. I don't know what the best light is for them, but you get an idea of what they look like. Most of these rings in the big trays here are between $100 and $200. Some men's rings there, mostly bigger, heavy gold. A lot of those are like 300-ish because of the gold content. Some cool ones here. This one's that one's 18 karat. It's super intricate. So not surprisingly, with the new administration, guns have been selling like crazy. A couple of new interesting ones though. This one's a 10 gauge Ultimag, which is a pretty crazy shotgun. I don't know that that would be very enjoyable to shoot, but it's heavy. It might not be too horrible. Some tactical shotguns. Got the Hog Hunter. That's a 308. It's like new. Mossberg MVP. That one's in 223. That one is beautiful with a bipod. Regular Remington '06, a couple of old World War II type rifles, and then that's a World War II PPS in 7.62 by 25. That one's pretty unique, and we have about 400 rounds of ammo for it also, so that's pretty cool. A couple new things come in the shop. A like new Schumacher battery charger, battery tender thing for 90 bucks. Those are like 110 new, and that's a good deal on a Ryobi jigsaw. It's only $25. Nice compact Craftsman socket set, 30 bucks. Still have the torch handles and the regulator. That's 40, the torch handles 45. Things are pretty much the same in Guitar World. Got another TV in the box. It's a 32-inch LG Smart TV. That one's $125. Just got a laser level kind of transit set, 70 bucks. There's a set for dent pulling. There's actually two sets. One's $25, one's $35. Nice older Clark 6-inch bench grinder. It's older, but it's actually clearly hasn't been used very much. That one's $95. Monster rotary drill. It's a Milwaukee, but I guess it's Milwaukee's industrial division is Kengo. That is $250. A couple of cool new Milwaukee tools, or like new. This one is a little compressor, and it takes the small triangular batteries, the lithium batteries, charger, little impact ratchet, $110 for that. This is one I've never seen. It's a rotary pipe cutter. Takes a 1/4 inch through 1 inch copper pipe. It's pretty slick. So it takes those triangular lithium batteries, but it does not come with a battery. And that one is $70. Just bought this car stereo system. It's actually for a truck. It's one of those shallow boxes. A Pioneer with an 1100 watt amp and a JVC stereo. All that stuff for $175. Also just bought this big Bosch job site table saw. It's one of those ones with the wheels that folds down to not take up much space. That one's really nice. $475. Those are $600 new. It's got some sawdust that I'll clean off of it, but it's actually in really good shape. Got the Craftsman toolbox set that all attaches, and it's like a rolling cart, and each one attaches so it doesn't come loose. It's $120 for all of them. I did forget to mention one nice new guitar. It's called a Paul Reed Smith. It's, I guess, their lower model, but even their lower model is expensive. That is the PRS SE. That's $475. A couple of the small tank compressors. They're both, you know, one's a Husky, one's a, I don't know, Harbor Freight brand. They're both like $130. Some fancy new snowshoes, tubs, Flex RDGs. Those are $85. So this one's for Clara Margaret. I've been trying to learn Frozen songs, but it's not going well.